Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Clarity. My name is Sahil, and this is the channel where we talk all about blockchain and cryptocurrency. So, in today's video, we are going to deep dive into the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrencies. We have seen the performance of AI cryptocurrency picking everything out of the market right now, and we can see that this trend is only growing more from here. These are two revolutionary technologies that are just beginning their journey, and they are together in this right now. In this video, we will be talking about the insights that were provided by Galaxy Research white paper, which was named Understanding the Intersection of Crypto and AI. We will go through the highlights of this report and also talk about what does the future hold for AI and crypto together. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. In the vast expanse of technological evolution, two titans stand at the forefront: artificial intelligence and cryptocurrencies. Individually, they have transformed our world, but together they are setting the stage for a revolution. Today, we will explore the promising horizon where AI and crypto meets. Before moving ahead, let's have a look at what type of beast we are dealing with. And this is something that a lot of people think that they have missed, because we have talked about cryptocurrencies like Fetch AI, Render, and many more, Singularity Net as well, on this YouTube channel. So I talked about those 8 months ago and they have already performed really well. But right now, with the trends that are going into the normal market as well, we can see Nvidia, which is just the GPU processing company, and they provide all the processing power for AI and other technologies altogether. They are $2.21 trillion in market cap. They have risen 190% in the past month. They are the best performer in the normal stock market. So you can see that they are a GPU providing company. They are one of the biggest, and they are giving more and more use cases in the technological space, especially using AI. So how does this affect you and in the crypto space? So this is something that I want to make sense for you when you compare the crypto artificial intelligence market, which is the whole crypto coins. All of these coins are here. You can see Akash network, which was performing really well as well, Fetch, Render, BitTensor. Look at the price on this one. So all of these have performed really well in the past few months, and they have almost broken all of their all-time highs in the past 6 to 7 months. So you would have seen so many new coins coming in as well. But the thing to know here that this market cap for all of these coins is just $23 billion. It is a big number, but if you compare it to Nvidia, which is one company holding all the value in this AI space, this is really tiny portion of that. In the coming years, you will see this value going out of the market like $1 to $2 trillion easily. So make sure that you are aware of this, and that way you will be able to understand that we are still early in this space. Looking at the coins like Render, which are in partnership with Nvidia, a lot of these are still early. They have gone into $10. Fetch is also almost all-time high. It has passed it as well. Singularity Net, I have talked about all of these, so make sure you subscribe on this channel so that you don't miss out again. These are my long-term coins as well, so I'm not selling them any soon. They will be in my portfolio forever. So make sure that you are also understanding that this is really early in this space. So now let's get into the research that was provided by Galaxy. If you don't know about Galaxy, they are the digital asset manager, and they provide a lot of resources for companies trying to grow in this space. They have this on their website. Galaxy is a digital asset and blockchain leader providing access to the growing digital economy. We connect financial sophistication with technological expertise, institutions with Web3 innovations, and Silicon Valley agility with Wall Street savvy. So basically, they are providing institutions with all of these digital economy parts, and they are trying to help them with all of these products in there. So let's have a look at their products. If we go back on here, you will see the list of products that they have right now. different kind of solutions, global market asset management and digital infrastructure as well. So go here and it will show up all of these. So these are something that has a lot of value, especially for institutions. They bring in a lot of money into this, platform, and they also need these kind of researches. So that's where they have released this intersection of crypto and AI report. So I will put this link in the description if you want to read it in your own time. This is for free. You can download the PDF as well. This is something that if you are interested into the AI and digital space, then you will always like this kind of stuff. So make sure that you use the link in the description. So we won't go all into this report, but I will tell you the summary where they have talked about the key takeaways. So the first takeaway from this report is that crypto and AI integration is in the immediate future, 6 months to 1 year, will be dominated by AI applications that enhance developer efficiency, smart contract, auditability, and security, and user accessibility. These integrations are not specific to crypto but enhance the on chain developer and user experience. So, what does this mean? This is something that tells you that AI applications are going to move forward more than the crypto part of this integration because of the accessibility and smart contract auditability in this space is required, and AI is something that can be used to audit these kind of smart contracts where there are a lot of exploits in crypto spaces as well. So AI applications are getting a lot of traction in that space where they are used as an application for securing these blockchains. As you can see, they have given the AI crypto market map, which is basically telling you all the projects who are creating decentralized compute, machine learning training, artificial general intelligence, zkML infrastructure, zk is zero knowledge machine learning, and zkML DeFi gaming. All of these are the part of crypto infrastructure and AI infrastructure that is being built right now. So a lot of projects we talk about on this channel as well. You can see in the AI agents there is SingularityNet and Fetch AI. There are others as well which might or might not have tokens right now. You can see Render and Akash network here as well. So a lot of these they are providing already working products in this space. The second takeaway is the decentralized compute offerings that are provided with AI tailored GPU. So this is something that they are providing with networks like Akash network and Jensen protocol. So if you go back to this AI crypto market map, which will tell you the decentralized compute chart, which is IO.net, Fala network, Render, Lilypad, Akash, Nasana, all of these, they haven't released a token yet, but I will talk about that in a future video. So make sure you comment in the comment section below so that we can talk about these projects. We have already done video about Fetch AI, SingularityNet and others. So if you missed that as well, I will link in the description. It's really important to know that this is just one layer of this technology and there will be multiple layers of this technology. You can see decentralized compute is something which will make it easier for people to access computing power, which have been, moved away from other countries, or something else has happened there because of political issues. So decentralized compute is something that will allow people to access this kind of computing power, especially for using AI large language model, which is done online nowadays. You can see a lot of these large language model are doing all this computing in a decentralized fashion because they need all this computing power while doing all this kind of processing. So again, this comes into the narrative of Nvidia having so much power out there because of their GPU, and they are also partnering with so many of these projects. Flux as well as one of those. So you can understand what kind of benefits this will give in future. And right now we have only seen the starting of these projects, because you can see right now only few of them have run and made that run, and there is a lot of room to grow in there. As I told you earlier, in the market cap for Nvidia is 2.2 trillion, which is so much right now that you can't even imagine it. That's the whole crypto market cap, and if we get 5-10% of that in the AI crypto space, then a lot of these tokens will have so much value out there in future. Next up, they have talked about the user experience and regulation that remain an obstacle to onboarding decentralized compute customers. So, this is something that we have talked about earlier. The user experience in the crypto space is not that good right now, and it's still growing. That means that it's harder to onboard people onto this space because of the user experience, because it is so hard for them to do these tasks. It's not like one click that is happening in the current. So that needs to be a matching criteria for user experience to get more people onto this kind of technology and let them use these. As you can see, recent developments at OpenAI as well as ongoing regulatory reviews in the United States, however, highlight the value proposition of permissionless, censorship resistant, and decentralized AI network. So, this is telling exactly what happened in OpenAI. OpenAI was supposed to be an open source company, but now it is Microsoft owned, and Microsoft has high stakes in it. So, they can choose and make different decisions about it and let the AI talk in their own tone. So that's what they are mentioning here. It needs to be permissionless, censorship resistant, and decentralized. So this is the reason with crypto it can have that kind of network. And obviously with crypto, there is chances of more decentralized and getting more users onboarded into this kind of technology as well. Next up, they have talked about the on-chain AI integration, especially for smart contracts capable of using AI models, require improvement in zkML technology and other computational methods that verify off-chain compute on-chain, lack of comprehensive tooling and developer talent, as well as high cost stars barrier to the adoption. So this is something which is true, and it is because of the barrier of cost and talent in this space right now. Smart contracts are still a new thing, and with AI technology, we can make them better. But it will be a while for getting into the infrastructure of this. There will be a lot of work required to put in, and developers will need to put a lot of different kind of mechanism like knowledge machine learning, which will allow them to basically run the complex model without any prior knowledge or security data. So machine learning requires large amount of compute to run complex models, which prevents AI models from being directly run inside smart contract due to high costs. So that's the reason zero knowledge will be required. That AI models are really large and they have complex computing requirements. So it will be harder to put them inside directly a smart contract and then utilize that. It will be really high cost and inefficient in the long run. So a DeFi protocol providing users access to a yield optimizing model, for example, would struggle to run that model on chain without having to pay prohibitively high gas fees. One solution is to increase the computational power of underlying blockchain. However, this also increases the demand on the chain's validator. So this is something that is an issue, but it's still in early stages. There will be solutions created for this. They are still in early stages, so it's important to know that they are just letting us know here in this report that it is a possibility, but in the long run we'll have to work out a better way to do this. The last part that they mentioned is really important one, and that's where a lot of adoption in the crypto space and AI can come in. AI agents are well suited for crypto, where users or agents themselves can create wallets for transacting with other services, agents, or people. This is not currently possible using traditional financial rails. Additionally, integration with non-crypto products is needed for broader adoption. So we'll go to their section of AI agents. So this is where they say that agents and crypto fit well together because of the permissionless and trustless payment infrastructure crypto provides. Once trained, agents can be given a wallet so they can transact with smart contracts on their own. Simple agents today, for example, can crawl the internet for information, and they make trades on prediction markets based on a model. So this is something that has been going on in traditional finance, but it's not at this level, because with AI it will be even huge, and including the crypto payment rails that can go to a next level where there will be permissionless and trustless payments in the system just by knowing that where it is coming from, and there will just require a signature from that wallet basically. So Morpheus is one of the newest open source agent projects coming to market on Ethereum and Arbitrum in 2024. Its white paper was anonymously published in September 2023, providing the foundation for community to form and build around, including notable figures like Eric Voorhees. The white paper includes a downloadable smart agent protocol, which is an open source LLM that can be run locally, managed by a user's wallet, and interact with smart contracts. So, this is something that will have a lot of use cases in the future. And there is another thing, decentralized autonomous infrastructure network. This is a new agent infrastructure protocol building out an agent to agent economy on Solana. Dane aims to make it so that agents from different businesses can seamlessly interact with each other via universal API. So, as you can see, this will grow a lot in the future. There are a lot of use cases, like today's e-commerce has this issue of payments, and a lot of other e-commerce websites, they have integration issues. So this can be resolved using these agents, using the different kind of data that these businesses have on there, and integrate the web 2 world to the web 3 world. And that is only possible because of crypto and blockchain technology and AI coming in together. They have talked about Fetch AI and Singularity Net as well, and how Bitcoin as well can be used as a payment for AI agents, and different kind of technologies can be used together. So this is something really comprehensive. If you have some time, read this report and have a look. Obviously, it's a big report that you can spend time on, but I have tried my best to give you an overview of this. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.